Children, welcome back to Standard 3 Language, Lesson 21, Preposition. Today we are going to do. So we will see what is preposition. A preposition is a word or group of words that show the relation of a noun or pronoun to some other words in sentence, some other noun or pronoun or some other words in the sentences. So we will look what is preposition. So here you see it connects. Preposition are the words that connects or shows the relationship to the different nouns, pronouns and phrases in the sentence. Types of preposition: simple preposition, double preposition, phrase prepositions, compound preposition, participle prepositions are there. Simple preposition: these prepositions are constructed by only one word like on, at, about, with, after, for, etc. Example: he found the book about dogs on the table in the bedroom. See, about dogs on the table in the bedroom. Double prepositions are: these prepositions are formed by combining two words or two simple prepositions like into, within, upon, onto, etc. Example: the dog jumped onto the bed and left marks upon the sheets. Phrase preposition: a combination of the preposition. Okay, it's a combination of the preposition, a modifier or optional of two objects used to modify the nouns, verbs or sentence and also complete the clauses like at home, in time, with me, for my father, under the blanket, etc. The clothes left on the bed have been ironed and kept back. Now here you see compound preposition. This preposition are two word preposition like according to, because of, next to, due to, etc. These are also prepositions. Example: he was upset because of his son's behavior. Then participle prepositions are actually verbs that ends with en or ing, considering, during, given, including, etc. Considering what he had to work with, he did a pretty good job. And there are these classifications are based on the construction of the preposition, like preposition of place, preposition of time, preposition of movement. So let's get started. You take out your book, that is your Collins English Language book. Okay, this is your Collins English Language book. You take out and turn to the lesson 21 preposition. Turn to page 81. Keep a pencil and eraser with you. Let's get started. Look at the picture and complete the sentence. So this is the picture. We have to look at the picture and we have to complete the sentence. Here you see. I spy Rohan. He is between the two boxes. See, between the two boxes. I spy Minnie. She is sitting under the table. See, Minnie is sitting under the table. I spy Mayur. He is hiding behind the curtain. So Manu is hiding behind the curtain. I spy Shraddha. She is sitting on the high shelf. The words you used are preposition. These words are preposition. Here you read the sentences. The cat is sleeping on the box. My pencils are in the bag. The girl is standing near the chair. The word is bold. Tell us the position of the main noun in the sentence. Actually, preposition tells us the positions of the main noun, okay, in the sentences. Preposition are words which tells us about the relation of one thing to another. They tell us where a person or thing is. They tell us where a person or thing is or where something happens. Like positions of the noun. Preposition. So means always remember the preposition comes before a noun. Okay, so it's preposition. Read these sentences. This gift is for Ravi. The word for tells us for whom the gift is. So preposition. She is walking with her friend. The word with tells us with whom she is walking. Look at the way some more prepositions are used. The boy is sitting at the table. A mouse ran down the clock. We built a bridge over the river. Now here you see my cousin has come to visit us from Germany. Can you put this glass between those two plates? We have to say the poem in front of our teacher. There are 15 people standing before Deepak in the line. The table was by George's bed. The word under, outside, for, with, near, at, down, over, from, and others all tell us where the people or objects are or where the action is taking place. Remember, children. Now here you see, look at the pictures and complete the sentences. We have to look into the pictures and we have to complete the sentences. The mangoes are hanging from the tree. The ball is in front of the bed. In front or near also we can write. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Matt is standing beside his grandmother. Put the toys inside the bag. Because it is a enclosed thing, we can write inside, or put the toys in the bag also we can write. Put the toys inside the bags or in the bags. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. So here are the preposition in the boxes and we have to fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. You should brush your teeth before you have breakfast. The book is lying on the bed. Tom fell into the well. The naughty boy threw the ball at me. My uncle is going to the USA tomorrow. The dog ran after the cat. Don't go near the snake. He hid under the table. His house is beside my house. Now here, exercise C. Underline the preposition in these sentences. Can you throw the ball? We have to underline the preposition in the sentences. Can you throw the ball across the field? Across. The thief stole the man's wallet from his pocket. From. I write with a pen. With. The naughty boy was sent outside the class. Outside. He made the painting in 5 days. In. My mother bought bangles for me. For. The robbers are hiding under the bridge. Under. The dog ran to its master. To. Will you play with me? With. Now exercise D. Choose the correct preposition to fill in the blanks. We go to school every day. On Teachers' Day, Nikhil sang for the teachers. You must complete your work on time. There was a signboard by the roadside. The monkey is hanging from the branch of a tree. The plane flew over the building. There is a day between Friday and Sunday. Stand in front of the mirror and comb your hair. The sun slowly rose over the mountains. A dish of pie is kept on the window sill. Okay, children, so these all exercises you have to write in your Collins English book and you have to complete these exercises. Do the work neatly and keep yourself healthy. Stay safe. Take a good care of yourself. Till then, bye-bye.